Okay, Thursday, August the 13th, 2020. We're looking at the remnants of Hurricane Elida, which is moving through Southern California today and also Central California. We're going to show a second video after this one showing all that moisture moving into Central and Southern California, which should have brought rain, but the skies have been sprayed. That began last evening. Right around sunset, we started to see all the jets up spraying the chemtrail aerosols, and we can kind of see that down there at the horizon. But here we see these herringbone patterns. Now, all day long, we've been seeing cumulonimbus development over the mountains and near the foothills and all that. And so we can see here's the latest. It was one of these was just superheated here within the last half hour. And we see that herringbone pattern, those wavy, those stripes. That's the upper air turbulence that is resulting from the superheating process. And that creates a lot of upper air wind when these cumulonimbus formations are targeted and superheated. It creates a lot of wind. And just like we see on the desert sands, when you have a wind blowing over the desert sands, it creates the same pattern. And we notice that these herringbone patterns tend to emanate out radially around the area of the target. So we're seeing right here, kind of dead center, where that rising column of air was targeted. It's actually rebuilding. We can see that. And over here, we can see these herringbone patterns. They sort of emanate out radially from, like I said, from the targeted area. So once again, this is the remnants of the moisture from Hurricane Elida, which became a Category 2 storm on Tuesday. And we also have a fire to report. We should be having rain today, folks, and we're going to show the satellite maps. We should have had probably anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain today from that hurricane, the remnants of Hurricane Elida. So right now we have a fire over in Azusa. It's called the Ranch Fire. And that started about 2 hours ago. You can see here that there's a lot of smoke. Yeah, bigger than hell. Anytime we have hot weather, I mean, you can just be 100% sure that we're going to have a fire, and that's what's happening once again today. Tomorrow and the next 5 days, we've got 100 degree plus temperatures, like about anywhere from 102 to 105 in the valleys, San Gabriel Valley and San Fernando Valley. But we should be having rain, as I mentioned, and we're going to show the satellite map. So the weather controllers have denied us a day of rain that we really need to prevent all these fires and the rest of it. Out to the west, we can see more moisture in the air. We had rain this morning at 8 a.m. Exactly, it lasted exactly 4 minutes. We had some fairly big drops coming down from this former Hurricane Elida. And so that was shut off. The spigot was shut off within 4 minutes. Here we see a plane flying along at about 14,000 feet. There's a trail right there, chemtrail aerosol. So the jets, like I said, they began spraying last evening at about right around 7:45. We noticed them in the south skies, the southern skies. So there it is. The weather controllers have denied us rain, and we've got a fire, and we've got very hot 100 plus degree temperatures on the way for about the next 5-6 days. Okay, that's it.